Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In this tutorial, we are going to see about an help view. In the previous lecture, we have seen about a projection view. So let us first see the definition of help view. Basically, help view are created on two or more tables for a search help, whereas help view cannot execute directly because they are designed specially for an help view. And in the help view, it uses an outer join concept, and help view uses an outer join concept where we can only read the data and data cannot be maintained. So let us see the steps to create a help view. So let us consider a condition that we have to create a help view on a two tables, that is Mara and MAKT. So very first we need to go to SE11, then select a view and give a view name. Like for example, Z1 we have given, and click on a create button. Thereafter we will get this type of screen which will ask us to choose view type. Then click on a help view button and click on copy button. Then thereafter provide a short description and give the table name and click on enter, and then click on the relationship button and then click on copy button. It will automatically take the join conditions and go to then provide the field tabs. By clicking on the field tab, provide the fields of Mara and MAKT, and similarly for the other tables, like we have provided here Mara and MAKT. So provide all the fields and go to the selection condition, then provide the conditions and simply save all the settings, then check and activate the table, and our help view will get generated. So these are very easy steps to create an help view. In the next lecture, we are going to see about a maintenance view.